So guys, a very small presentation on your rule of 9, and many a times questions come from the rule of 9 in your general surgery. So we'll be quickly recapping it in 1 or 2 minutes. And the length and width of the burn wound is expressed as a percentage of the total surface area, displaying the second and third degree burn. So very important that your rule of 9 is used in your second and third degree burn, while it is not used in your first degree burn. So how much is the amount of the length or the width of the burn is expressed, means kitna how much area is burnt. You cannot tell, because if half of the arm is involved, 2/3 of the leg is involved, you cannot express yeah this much area is burnt. So we will use the rule of 9 to tell yeah this much percentage of the area is burnt. The extent of the burn is most commonly estimated by rule of 9, the same thing. And another important question that is asked is that the rule of 9 was given by Alexander and Wallace. So this is very important point, because the name of the scientist is usually asked. And the rule of 9 is applied only to the adults and not to the children. So for the children we have LUND, Lund-Browder chart, LUND-BROWDER. So for the children we use this Lund-Browder chart, that is used in case of children. And most commonly asked question, that what do we use in case of children, and why don't we apply this rule of 9 in case of children? Because surface area of the head and neck part of the children is larger than the adult. So you have seen that there is a cephalocaudal growth. So initially the cephalic part is more and caudal part is less. That is why so the children will have a head part like 19%, while in children, and in adults it will be 7%. So children will have a larger part of your head, and even in case of lower limb they will have lesser, that is 13%, and it is 18% in adults. So it is the surface area of the head or the caudal part is not same both in adult and children. That's why different chart is there for children and different for adults, because in children the cephalic part is more, caudal is less, and in adults is the cephalic part is less and caudal is more. So that is why in children rule of a chart by Lund-Browder, and in adults it is rule of 9. So according to the rule of the 9, if head, face and neck is involved, the percentage of the body surface area will be given 9%. If right upper extremity is involved, 9%. Left upper extremity is involved, 9%. Right lower extremity is involved, means thigh, leg and foot, 18%. Left lower extremity, again left thigh, leg and foot, 18%. Anterior trunk, that is your chest and abdomen, 18%. Posterior trunk, upper half and lower half, 18%. And external genitalia, it's 1%. So the question is usually asked, if this part is involved, how much percent? If this part is involved, how much percent? Sometimes they will give you that both the lower extremities are involved and genitalia is involved. So 18 plus 18, 36, and genitalia 1, making total of 37. So on the basis of it they can ask you numericals, that if this area is involved, then how much percentage, that area is involved, then how much percentage. So this thing should be clear to you, very beautifully depicted by a diagram. Here you can see that this is the upper part, it is giving you 9%, and front or back is 18%. Fine. And your right arm, that is right upper extremity is your 9%, left upper extremity is 9%, genitalia is 1%, right lower is again 18%, left lower is 18%, and chest and abdomen from the front is 18%, and upper and lower half from the posterior is again 18%. Very beautifully given. This is just only to make you understand. But in case of kids, the cephalic part is not 9%, it is more, it is 18%. Even though the extremities, upper extremities are same, front and back are same, the lower extremities are different. In adults it is 18%, and in children it is 14%. You don't have much to deal with the children, but you should be knowing the name of the chart that is used in case of children, Lund-Browder chart, and rule of 9 for the adults given by Alexander and Wallace. Thank you.